Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In the meal prep series, I'm going to show you how I prepare my meals for the week ahead, or at least for 3 to 4 days, by preparing quick and easy recipes and cutting and chopping vegetables, making some curries ready. So let's get started and let me show you how I do my meal preps. Let's start with the basic cleaning. So I've taken green chilies and removed the stems of it, and I'm making a gravy, a tomato based gravy. So I'm adding some cashews, onion, cinnamon, cardamom, and some red chilies and cumin, and I'm going to steam them in some water for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here you go, the tomatoes are cooked. Once they are on a normal temperature, I'm going to grind it and keep the gravy ready in the glass container. Once it's cooled down, I'm going to keep it in the fridge. This is second type of gravy base that I'm going to use it to make chicken curry, lentils curry, or veg kurma, chicken kurma, etc. Right? So I've used whole spices here, coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon stick, and roasted some onion, and also taken some coconut, which is grated coconut. So I've dry roasted them as well until it turns out brown, and then once it's hit the room temperature, going to make a puree of it, and again save it in the container. And this is my gravy number 2. Next preparation is tur dal and moong dal and some chana dal. So I'm going to wash it and soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. And also this week I'm doing the rajma, which is kidney beans. While that's soaking overnight, I'm also going to clean up some vegetables that I got this morning. So I'm cleaning up some ginger by drying in the towel, and then it in the plastic airtight container. Got some fresh spinach. I'm going to clean it, wash it, and blanch it. Here are some peanuts. I'm going to dry roast them and remove some of the skin, and then make a coarse powder that I can use it for raita or eat it just as a snack, or I also use it in the sabudana khichdi, which is a spicy sago. Keep that in an airtight container, and it is good for another 2 weeks or so. Alright, if you are a meat eater, you can use any meat. I've taken chicken. This is a boneless chicken breast, and using some jerk seasoning this time. I keep changing the marination process every week. So this has some special Jamaican flavors. So I'm just going to try this and add some seasoning, some lemon juice, salt, as well as some oil, along with some turmeric and red chili powder. So let's mix this well and keep it in the airtight container again. So this is, we can make use of in a taco, or make chicken wraps, or just shallow fry it and just eat it as a side dish with the veggies. I've also marinated my tilapia and shrimps. They are fresh shrimps. To make my roti making process easy, I make some dough. Almost every dish in my cooking uses the tomato and onion, so I'm going to chop it in a bulk. Say 2 or 3 onions at a time, and store it in a glass jar container or airtight container in the fridge for about 1 to 2 days. I've used the big eggplant and dry roasted it on the stove and mash it up, and you see, just like this for our bengan bharta. Alright, so how did you like my first week's meal prep series? Do share your feedback, and thank you for watching this video, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and watch the other recipes linked here. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.